Hey guys, Christian over at Fit Car Stereo. Today we're in a 2011 A3. In the US, all the cars that were satellite ready, which is most of the A3s, as far as I believe, from 06 and up. In the US, the A3s didn't get here till 06. But since we all have Sirius, the Sirius antenna also has a XM antenna built in. So, if you look over here, this is the XM tuner. So I think this just comes out with clips. Ooh, it does just come out with clips, but they're like shark clips. Woo! That's what we used to call Jesus clips. It was like, Jesus, where'd that thing go? Actually, for you guys that are younger, back when I started in the industry, the cars still had the roll-up windows, some of them. So when you took off the door pin, that's what the Jesus clip is. Anyway, here we go. This is the GPS antenna, the satellite radio antenna. So you can leave the tuner in there if you want, but we have an adapter that connects to this green connector, and then you can run it up to your new radio for SiriusXM. Now, this is the little secret. Even if your car did not come with GPS, even if you have the non-GPS radios, both the Concert and the Symphony, as long as you have a Sirius ready radio, which I'm pretty sure, I know the Symphonies were, I'm pretty sure the Concerts also were, and you all have a subwoofer in the trunk, all of you. This is the non-Bose subwoofer. I know the Bose one's a little different. Right now I don't remember what it is. So there's 1, 2, 3 bolts to take it off, 10 millimeters. Okay, so we're gonna take off 1, take off 2, and I didn't lose it. And we're gonna take off the third one. Alrighty. So now, this comes right out. Now put it off to the side. Doesn't really matter if you scratch it because it's hidden, but obviously you want to be careful you don't pierce the cone. Now back here, there's a little bag of goodness. Okay. Now when you unwrap. I thought I did already. What am I missing? Oh, they double wrapped it. Sneaky mode. Alright, so look at this. What do we have here? This purple one is telematics. I think that means that they planned on using OnStar at one point. Some of the early A4s from like 2004, I believe, they had OnStar, but then they got rid of it right away. So I think the antenna just has it built in, so they put it in the car in case they needed it. If you think I'm wrong or you know better, let me know. And this little blue boy right here, this is the GPS antenna. So this car did not come with a GPS radio, but has a GPS antenna hidden back here. So now, let me get the adapters. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so first I want to show you this SAA SIR600. We have them different lengths. In this car, the Sirius antenna goes right from the roof to the tuner. So if you want to reuse the antenna, you plug the SAA SIR600 here, and then you run this to the front. And this is the last model tuner. I use this for videos because I can't sell this to nobody. It's an old tuner. But the new tuner, it looks exactly the same. The SXV300, which is the current model, it just has more features. So this is discontinued. But same thing, plug it into here. So now you use the factory antenna, and this little doohickey over here plugs in behind the radio. And now you're using the factory antenna because the factory antenna gives you much better reception than putting an antenna in your dash, or probably even on the roof, because if you think about it, the Audi antenna is something they paid for Audi, where the little one that came with the radio is just a tiny one they just gave you, So anyway, that's a Sirius. Now for the Sirius XM. Now for the GPS, it's a tad bit different. For the GPS, there's so many GPSs, we don't have an adapter, okay? So let me explain that. We don't have a one-piece adapter, we have a two-piece adapter. So what you're gonna do here is, this is a Fakra FF, okay? So now this plugs into here, okay? Now this runs all the way to the front. Now at the front, this is a GA3. So 3 is this style connector, okay? So this plugs into here. And then this now plugs into the back of This GA3 is for the new Alpine ILX 107 we're using here. All Alpine GPS radios use it. Also, the Kenwood uses it. Pioneer uses their own. They use the GA2. Okay, but that's that. So you run this up front, and those are the two antennas. This red telematics antenna I've never had a use for, but if you know what I can use it for, let me know. But that's it. That's where the GPS and satellite radio antennas are in a 2011 Audi A3. Alright guys, so here is on the ILX 107. This is the antenna. Usually it's on the chassis, but I guess since this one is a small chassis, they just had it hang on the side. I've never seen Pioneer do that. So that plugs into there, and then like I said, we have the little converter right here, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, so once you get it up front, this is all run and connected to the back antenna on the roof, so you get the best possible reception for for GPS signal. Usually you put GPS antennas like under the dash. This customer, this is a two-part install. He came back for the GPS antenna a separate day, so we left the GPS under the dash, and he said it wasn't too accurate. So I don't know if it's an ILX problem or just a fluke. But anyway, videos brought to you by nfitcarstereo.com. We sell and install. We also ship worldwide. If you're a shop, we have wholesale accounts. That's it. nfitcarstereo.com. My name is Christian. Thank you for watching.